If you want to see actually pretty much the full bench test of this power bank, then that's the right video for you. And I'm actually super excited because, I'm testing power banks pretty much every day. But this TORRAS Yoga 3-in-1 free charge, which I got from the seller to show you, is the most interesting one which I've seen in long time. Maybe the most interesting overall. But now let's check all the details. What we have here, what's special here regarding construction, by the way, construction, I think it's a really beautiful one. It has a very interesting design. It has a lot of grip here and it's even really stylish, beautiful, not only beautiful, even functional. We have this button here on the side, and when we press here, I don't know if you can see that, here we see a digital display showing the charge level, and we see also the USB-C port additionally here, but we have also a built-in USB-C cable, retractable one, and it's even pretty long. I think 3.3 feet. Definitely very useful, and you can see you can lock it in pretty much any length. You don't have to use the full length, and it's super easy to store. You can see you can just let it go, and then it has this magnetic hold which keeps it here nicely in this bay. But you also have a really stylish hand strap. Maybe it's a little bit short for really a hand, but you can still grab it with 2 fingers easily. Comes even with a carabiner hook. Also really beautiful, nice matte silver or chrome look. Yeah, absolutely love it. And on the other side we have this flip plug, 110 volts standard 2-prong flip plug to charge actually this power bank. And we cannot only just charge it, we can also use it while it's being charged. So it's also allowing for pass-through charging. That's also what we want to see. But now let's test a little bit the capabilities, like compatibility with different charging standards, maximum power, capacity, these things. Yeah, and so here we have it a little bit closer. Maybe now you can see this really nice stylish texture here. Absolutely amazing how beautiful this is built. Watch all these details here, absolutely amazing. Even the retractable USB-C cable or the plug are really stylish. Yeah, absolutely love it. And the flip plug design, a huge trend now, and it totally makes sense. So instead of 2 devices you just need one. It had saved me already in a lot of situations. And we have 2 different modes which are explained here a little bit, but of course just technically. But basically we have a charger mode when it's plugged in here, and we have a power bank mode when it's not plugged in and just delivering power from the built-in battery. And according to these specs, there's really a little bit of a difference between the 2 different modes. There's not a huge difference, but there's a little bit of a difference. So let's check here. And so that's the protocol compatibility in the power bank mode. You can see supporting pretty much everything except from VOOC, Super VOOC, these super rare things. Huge compatibility list, even PD with PPS up to 45 watts, but we don't see a 20 volt. And so let's see what we get in the power bank mode. We have 5 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt, 15 volts, but that's the maximum here. And I think that's the major difference between the power bank mode and the charger mode, because in the charger mode it's supposed to deliver also 20 volts, but we are going to check that later. And so let's see if we can really get these 45 watts in the pure power bank mode, which is a lot. And you can see we are at 46. Let's increase that a little bit, 47, 48. Yeah, it's pretty impressive. Now the voltage dropped as a safety measure, of course. That's exactly how it should be to protect the battery. So it looks like we have nice safety built in. And so to start it, probably we have to press here again. Power coming back, increasing the voltage again to 15 volts, starting to use power again. You can see we are again at 45, 47. Definitely nothing damaged. Proves that we have some really nice protection built in. But now let's see if we can really get 20 volts from this power bank in the charger mode when we plug it in here. Now we can see power bank is charging and still delivering power. increasing the voltage now to 20 volts. You can see we have confirmation 20 volts here. Absolutely amazing. So does it mean we get more power here? I think not, at least not according to the specs, but let's see. We are at 45, 46, 47, 48. Yeah, a little bit more, but definitely not a lot more. By the way, we can get also same amount of power with 3 amps, makes also 45 watts. And of course, I've also tested the capacity. So I fully charged and discharged it, and not using the retractable cable because it has, of course, some slight resistance. I've tested it directly on this USB-C port here. And so that's what I found. Of course, from playing around here, the milliamps have a little bit increased now, but I've made a picture exactly when it stopped and the charge was down to 0, and it was 6197 milliamps. So is this bad for a 10,000 milliamps battery? And of course it's not. It's actually very good result because it's the rated power. We even have this imprinted here, where they are honestly stating that the rated capacity is 5800 milliamps. And so my test has shown even a little bit more. I mean around 7% more actually, which is pretty impressive. And it's also overall a really good number because I consider everything above 50% of the original number, which was 10,000, is a good number. So instead of 5,000 we have a whopping 6,197, which I have tested here. So I'm really impressed, not only by the functions, not only by the really beautiful style, and not only by the power, but also by the capacity. Absolutely amazing. Does it get any better than that? Yeah, I think it's hard to beat this power bank here. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video. You can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I think because it's so beautiful and has so many features, could be also a really great gift. I mean, of course, it's not the cheapest power bank, but this thing is absolutely massive, absolutely amazing power bank. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this power bank, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.